Hello everyone, Silverconundrum here, and I come to you today with another unpackaging. What's in this right here, you might ask? Well, my wife says this might belong to her. I think it might belong to me, but we're going to find out who it really belongs to as soon as I open this package up. This is something I ordered about 3 or 4 days ago from a seller, and I got it off of eBay. And what happened with this was, they gave me such a good deal on it because about a month and a half ago or so, I ordered a coin from them. And the coin itself still to this day has not been delivered. It's still stuck in Arizona, for crying out loud. So they actually had this right here, and I was like, hey, what's the best offer? And we got talking back and forth, and they said, you know what, you still haven't received your coin yet? And they gave me a really good price. And I was like, okay, deal, I'll take it. Then we had this laughing, joking conversation where I said, you know what would be bad? If the newest purchase I made got here before the old one did, I would have to die laughing. And, well, I'm not going to die, but I am laughing. So this is that package. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we have. Yeah, let's cut just the tip of it so we don't darn tear up anything. Just want you guys to see what we got here. Throw that over there. Throw that there. Throw this here. And let's see what we got. Whoa, look at there, folks. Sorry, this thing is a booger to get into. There we go. So let's go ahead and pull all of these out. So what we have before us is 6 ounces of silver. These right here come from a set called Angels and Demons. Now this Angels and Demons set, my wife said it belongs to her.
It is.
Anyway, so
I told you I wanted the females.
So there's, what is there? There's what? 2, 4, 6. There's 12 coins in this entire set. And the way these coins go, well, there's 6 angels and there's 6 demons. And with these coins are such things as this one right here. This is Delphine. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in just a little bit to give it a little bit of clarity. There we go. That's Miss Delphine. The back looks just like this right here. Angels and demons and everything else. But because I have to open up so many of these guys, I'm going to pause the video for 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Sorry guys. Took a little bit longer than I expected to actually get into everything. So let's start off with who we have. We have Miss Madeline. And this is what she looks like. This is a unicorn with an angel. Actually, it's a robotic unicorn. And guess who tried to lay claim to this thing? Unicorn Stacker. Yeah, she saw this right here and she's like, this might be mine. So, are you going to fight your mama for this coin?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
She stands no chance.
So, we see what we have right here.
I love you, child.
But, like I said, guys, the back still looks the same. The next one we're going to have is Phobius, or Phoebus.
Phoebus.
Whatever. My wife is picking on me because I'm not pronouncing these names right. So anyway, this is Phoebus, or Phoebus, whatever the heck you want to call it. But this is what she looks like. Very unique. And then we have Delphine. Miss Delphine is very decked out in her steampunk outfit. In case you guys didn't know, the Angels and Demons series is actually all about steampunk. So that's pretty much the whole theme behind it. Then you have Luviana. I guess that's how you say it. And then, who else we got? Theodosia. Now this right here coin looks scratched up, but it's not. This is actually just smudges on the outside. And these coins are pretty raised, by the way, just so you guys can see that. They have a little bit of a raised face to them. But that's what she looks like. And last but not least, Rosamond. And that's what she looks like. You look at her, she's a mechanic, which is pretty awesome. And a little airplane. Anyway, but I tried to lay claim to these and the wife already threatened my life.
Because you stay in your lane and stick to your dragons. My collection is diverse.
And I just see the unicorn stacker just stole the unicorn one.
I brought you into this world, child. I have no problem taking you out.
So, what we're going to do is let those two fight it out. And I will give this to the winner. Anyway, everybody. So, y'all have a great night. I hope you guys like the angels of this set. And I will be purchasing the demons to this set a little bit later on. This way we have the entire thing. And you know me, I don't like collections unless they're complete. So with that being said, everybody have a good night. Please like, share, and subscribe.